10 deadly mistakes you're doing to your body. Did you know that many of your daily habits, which seem harmless, could actually be harming your body in the long run? From simple routines to unconscious choices, these mistakes quietly affect your health, energy, and well-being. In this video, we're revealing 10 deadly mistakes most people make and how to fix them before they cause serious damage. Watch closely, because some of these might surprise you. 1. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast is one of the most common mistakes people make, often because they feel busy or not hungry in the morning. But when you don't eat, your metabolism slows down, meaning your body burns fewer calories throughout the day. Stress hormones like cortisol increase, leaving you feeling tense or irritable. Later, your body craves quick energy, which can lead to overeating or grabbing unhealthy snacks. Over time, this habit can contribute to weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and even increase the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Eating a protein-rich breakfast like eggs, oats, or yogurt with fruits jump-starts your metabolism, stabilizes your energy levels, and helps you stay focused throughout the day. Think of breakfast not just as a meal, but as fuel for your entire morning. 2. Not drinking enough water. Most people underestimate how crucial water is for their health. Dehydration affects nearly every system in your body. It can make you feel tired, reduce focus, slow digestion, and even impact your skin, leaving it dry or dull. Mild dehydration can also increase feelings of stress and irritability. Many people go hours without drinking enough, thinking they'll catch up later, but it's not that simple. Your body needs a steady supply throughout the day. Experts recommend drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and sipping gradually works better than drinking a large amount at once. Water isn't just refreshing, it's essential for keeping your organs, muscles, and brain functioning properly. 3. Sitting too long. Sitting for long periods has become a silent health hazard, especially with office work, streaming, or gaming. When you stay seated for hours, your muscles weaken, your posture suffers, and blood circulation slows. This can increase the risk of heart disease, obesity, and chronic back or neck pain. Even if you exercise later, long periods of inactivity still take a toll. A simple solution is to take short breaks every hour, stand up, stretch, or walk around. These small actions not only reduce strain on your body, but also boost your focus and energy. Your body wasn't built to sit all day, so giving it movement is crucial for long-term health. 4. Ignoring sleep. Sleep is often overlooked, yet it is one of the most important factors for overall health. Not getting enough sleep can affect your brain, heart, and immune system. Chronic sleep deprivation can cause fatigue, irritability, poor memory, and even weight gain. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, muscles recover, hormones balance, and your brain processes memories and emotions. Skipping this recovery period repeatedly puts your health at risk. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Maintain a consistent schedule and create a calm bedtime routine. Protecting your sleep is protecting your life. 5. Overusing sugar. Sugar is one of the most addictive and harmful substances in many diets, yet people consume far more than they realize. Excess sugar can spike your insulin, increase fat storage, and elevate your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Even hidden sugars in sodas, snacks, and sauces can add up without you noticing. High sugar intake also affects your energy, causing sudden crashes and cravings. Reducing sugar doesn't mean giving up all sweetness. Replace it with fruits or natural sweeteners, and be mindful of processed foods. Controlling sugar intake protects your metabolism, energy levels, and long-term health. 6. Poor posture. Many people underestimate the long-term damage caused by poor posture. Slouching, hunching over devices, or sitting awkwardly can strain muscles, compress your spine, and lead to chronic pain over time. It even affects your energy and mood, leaving you feeling tired and less confident.
Correcting posture isn't just about standing tall, it's about building awareness and habits. Simple stretches, ergonomic adjustments, and regular breaks can improve alignment. Your posture impacts not just your body, but how you feel and move every day. 7. Neglecting strength training. Strength training is often overlooked in favor of cardio, but it's essential for maintaining muscles, bones, and overall mobility. Weak muscles make everyday tasks harder, increase injury risk, and accelerate aging. Cardio alone cannot prevent muscle loss, which can lead to frailty over time. Incorporating strength exercises, even bodyweight routines like push-ups, squats, or resistance bands, 2 to 3 times a week, strengthens your body, balances your metabolism, and boosts metabolism. Staying strong isn't just about appearance, it's about independence and quality of life as you age. 8. Excess screen time. Spending too much time in front of screens, phones, computers, or TVs can silently damage your health. Screen overuse strains your eyes, disrupts sleep, and increases stress. Blue light exposure late at night confuses your body's natural sleep cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay rested. Excessive screen time also reduces movement, contributing to other problems like poor posture and sedentary habits. To protect your health, take regular breaks, use blue light filters, and limit screens before bed. Balancing screen use improves both mental and physical well-being. 9. Not managing stress. Chronic stress quietly harms your body, triggering inflammation, weakening your immune system, and even accelerating aging. Ignoring stress doesn't make it go away, it accumulates and eventually affects your physical and mental health. People often underestimate the impact of stress on blood pressure, digestion, and sleep. Managing stress is essential, whether through meditation, deep breathing exercises, walking outdoors, or hobbies that relax you. Small daily habits to reduce stress can dramatically improve your long-term health and energy. 10. Ignoring mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health, yet many people neglect it. Ignoring mental well-being can manifest physically as fatigue, headaches, poor immunity, or general lack of energy. Emotional struggles often affect motivation, relationships, and daily performance. Prioritizing mental health doesn't mean fixing everything at once. It starts with small steps, like talking to someone you trust, journaling your thoughts, or seeking professional help when needed. A healthy mind is the foundation for a healthy body, and nurturing it can improve every aspect of your life. Now that you know the 10 deadly mistakes that could be harming your body, it's time to take action. Changing these habits, even gradually, can dramatically improve your energy, focus, and overall health. Remember, small steps lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it to help others protect their bodies too. Your health is worth it. Start today.